Hey there everyone, welcome to another command block tutorial video here on the channel, and the whole point of this video is about furnaces or smelting of items, because in this video I'm going to be showing you a detector in Minecraft using my very commonly used detector system that allows you to detect if a particular item is being smelted inside a furnace. So the idea is that this two command block system right here is checking this furnace, and if this furnace is smelting a particular item, then the detector will activate. So for example here, I'm going to put in some fuel, and then if I put in some raw iron, you can see that the detector is not activating. If I try raw copper instead, you can see there's no reaction. But this detector is checking for raw gold being smelted in the furnace. Now, as you can see here, the detector is now activated now that it's actually detected raw gold in the furnace. And as soon as I take that away, then the detector actually disables and turns off. Now, the other very cool thing as well is if I get rid of this furnace and have it not smelting, you can see if I put in the raw gold here, the detector is not activating. So it's only activating if the furnace is actually lit. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Very quickly here, I'm going to explain what these command blocks are actually doing, and just so you can get a general gist of how the detector is actually working. But as I said, we're using two commands here. I'm in Minecraft 1.20.2 at the moment, so it should work in most versions of Minecraft. But without further ado, let's just get into these steps right here. Now, the first command block right here is a repeating command block, and all this really does is removes lamp. That's all it really does, this first one right here. And both of the command blocks are always active on the system here. Now, the whole point of having the removes lamp right here is it allows the detector to reset itself. So what it essentially does is removes the lamp and then places the lamp again if a certain condition is met, and that allows the detector itself to turn on and off. Now, this command block right here is doing the magic. So this one is going to detect a lit furnace and check smelt item slot. So that is what it's going to be doing in this command block right here. And if this condition is met, then this command block will place the redstone lamp, the lit redstone lamp, to turn on the detector. Now, I'm going to show you these commands in more detail in a text editor because I find it easier to do it that way. So without further ado, let's get into the nitty-gritty details. Alright everyone, we're now inside the text editor right here, and these commands will be in the description of the video so you can look at it in more detail. But I am going to go through these commands very quickly in this part of the video, so I would urge you to stay if you want to learn more about Minecraft commands. Now, the first command is very, very simple. This one just removes the lamp on the detector, so this is the first command block here. All this is really doing is setting the block to air so that it can actually reset itself. And then this second command is the one that has all of the magic. Now, this should be one whole command in the description. I've just put it as separate lines so it's easier to show you. But what we're actually doing here is we're doing a /execute if block command because we are checking a particular block. Now, within these command blocks, I'm using these relative coordinates so that I can select the correct block in order to place. So this is for removing the lamp or checking the furnace or placing the redstone lamp. So please bear that in mind. You will have to set these coordinates to what your current situation or setup actually is. But as I say, we're doing a /execute if block command, and we're checking for a particular block, and we're seeing if it's Minecraft furnace, and then we're also checking for this metadata. So this allows us to check if the furnace is actually lit, and the only time the furnace is lit is if there was fuel burning in the furnace or if it's just burning away. Okay. And what we're going to do here is we're also checking for data tags on this furnace. So we're checking metadata on the block and data tags at the same time. What we're doing here is a furnace actually has an items collection, and every single time the item being smelted in the furnace is at slot 0 in the furnace. So slot colon 0B. So we're checking for this particular item slot in this collection. So slot 0B, and we're checking for ID colon Minecraft colon raw gold. Now you're going to have to set the item ID to what you want. There's a few ways you can find out the item ID you want to target. You can either actually check online at the Minecraft wikis, and they should give you Minecraft IDs for your items, or you can use F3 and H in Java Edition, and this allows you to turn on advanced tooltips on your game. If you do that and you hover over items, it should also give you the item ID of that item. Now, once we have checked the furnace properly, we are then going to run a setblock command, and this is going to do setting a lit redstone lamp on the detector, and that allows it to actually turn on. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this video right here. If you did learn something new, then you enjoyed the video, then a like, subscribe on the video would be very much appreciated, and make sure that you hit notification bell so you stay notified of any future videos here on the channel. And if you want to follow my socials, they're on screen or in the description, but you can apply this to other blocks in the game. I'm just selecting furnace in this case because that's probably the most common choice, but I think you can do a very similar thing for, smokers or blast furnaces and stuff like that. I'm just focusing on furnaces in this video. But see you guys next time. Hope you have a nice day. Stay happy and healthy as always. And bye-bye.